Guys, listen, the future of trading is automation, and by the end of this video, you're gonna see exactly why I may never place a trade by myself ever again. Now, I was able to quit my job, get my dream car, and alleviate all of our debt from manually trading, but I'm tired of it. I got kids, I'm running a business, I got a whole bunch of people that are dependent on me. I don't got time to stare at the charts no more. And maybe for some of you guys who are manually trading or trying to manually trade, you're struggling because you're either at work, you don't got time to mark up charts, you got a family, and you got a whole bunch of stuff to do. I got two things that will alleviate all of that. Let's get into it. So you may be asking yourself right here, how in the heck are they catching moves like this? How is this guy able to catch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins in one day before lunchtime? How is this guy about to pass his Tradovate account? How did this girl's TP just get hit just like that? You may even be asking, how did this guy catch a move on the 30-second? Why is this dude saying LFG Kalin trades? Why is this guy saying perfect setup? I love it here. Why is this lady saying bags galore today? I took 3 wins, but the indicator was on fire. And why did she say another bag? Well, my friends, I'm gonna show you something amazing today. Oh, guys, the bot is live. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is live. This is live, guys. This is my first time. Okay, the bot's live, okay? Oh my gosh. If it wins, oh my gosh. Guys, the bot is live. Okay, nobody panic. Everybody just chill out for a second. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I just recorded it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Guys, okay. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. Everybody just chill out. Currently live in the market, gold is on a 3-trade win streak, and it is because of my breakaway indicator. This is what the indicator looks like. I'll go through all the settings in a little bit, but I just want to show some highlights of why this indicator is amazing. You would have caught yourself a sniper entry off this box right here. You would have caught another sniper entry off this box right here. You would have lost on this trade because there was no momentum, but that's okay because you would have got a full-on sniper entry at this trade right here. So I developed the breakaway indicator because it's based off the strategy that I teach in my course and partially teach here for free on YouTube. And I just decided that, man, sometimes we don't have time to mark up our charts and try to find certain setups. So if you guys have seen the video that I put out about my strategy where I mark highs and lows in the market, this indicator does all that for you. And it tells you when to enter based on the criteria that have to be met with the 3-step plan that's actually in the course. So I want to show off a new setting that we have really quick because sometimes people actually want to place the trade by themselves, and that's okay. So we have a new setting right here where if you go to style, you guys see these 3 trades right here? You can actually remove every single thing and just keep the lines. So you can have your high and low lines, and shoot, you could even, you see these little lines right here? You could even remove those lines and just have the highs and lows that need to be met because we added a 15-minute swing point thing where it marks it yourself. We also have adapted swing points too, but let's just see what it looks like if we were to trade manually. So if I took the chart back and I moved everything right here, it's showing that there was a breakout that happened right here. So you would have, based off this strategy, would have actually entered directly off of this and you would have caught a banger. And the lines update for you. Isn't that crazy? Automation is where it's at, guys. I feel like the word that God has given me over the past month and a half is I need to delegate and automate. So I'm really working on that. So you got a high and low that was broken. You guys saw where that line was before, it updated. You could have entered directly off of that and you would have caught yourself a little 1-on-1. That's okay. And shoot, you can go to the 15-minute and the line will be the exact same. So the lines are the same on every chart and it just updates for you. So that's really, really cool that it does that for you. I love that. Now I have a whole tutorial of where you can set the trades up and everything. I'll put it in the link in the description. But I want to go back to the 1 minute because I saw something really crazy that actually got me really, really, really excited. So you guys see we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. That is before lunchtime. That is all the way from TP got hit at 3:47 a.m. and the most recent trade was around 9:09 a.m. That's honestly before breakfast. My automation would have caught all of this. So you would have won 6 trades before you even woke up in the morning because this is Eastern time. For my LA folks, you would have won while you was knocked out sleeping. And that is the Breakaway bot that we're getting ready to release. We do have a wait list, and I'll put that in the description as well. But I genuinely believe that this is the year where AI and just trading with help and assistance and automation is going to be a blessing to people so we can actually focus on our lives. A lot of us get into trading so that we can run from the rat race. We're not trying to leave our job to have another full-time job. Nobody wants to stare at the charts for hours and hours a day. And honestly, you're really not even supposed to. So that's why we have developed automation in different forms and formats to be able to bless people. My philosophy is always going to be on affordability because I remember when mentors and gurus and coaches was charging thousands of dollars for things, but we couldn't afford it because I had to go to the pantry every single week to get food for my family. Like, we was down bad. And I don't want that to be the case for people. So as we get closer and closer to the release date of the actual bot, I'll be keeping you guys informed and keeping you guys hyped up and ready to go for it. It'll be able to work for Forex, futures, crypto, but not options. But the indicator works perfectly for options. And the indicator is actually available right now. So here's what it looks like when you get the indicator. It's on sale right now, and pretty much what it does is it does all the work for you. It marks the charts for you. It does every single thing. We got some good reviews. I don't know where that 1 star came from. He probably just sucked. I take it back. But we got a lot of reviews, a lot of really cool things. But this is the one that a lot of people are excited about, the Breakaway bot, which I explained to you what it is. This one will actually place trades for you. Now, it is going to be a little bit more expensive than the actual trading indicator, but you'll be able to make all of that back and then some. So all in all, y'all, I'm not going to front. I'm probably going to be done with manually trading because I got kids. I explained to my Discord that I got kids. I got a business. Dude, the last time that I traded where I made like $8,000. My kids were up here climbing all over my back. I had to concentrate. I went into the bathroom. They kicked the door open and cried. I can't do this no more, bro. I can't do it. So that's what I'm currently focused on as it pertains to my trading journey, just because I want to be a blessing to people, but I also want to bless my family as well. You can also use the bot and indicator with prop firms, which is really cool. The platform that we use, Quant Crawler, for the bot actually has partnerships with a lot of prop firms, which is great. So you can actually automate your trades to pass prop firm challenges and get payouts. But if you don't want to wait for the bot, just get the indicator, pass a couple challenges, then you can afford the bot if you can't afford it. So I'm excited. I also forgot to mention, man, don't take my word for it. Go to my free Discord and go ahead and go to the win section. You can even go to the lesson section where people post their losses and stuff too. I just posted in here how NQ tore my behind up and did this to me last night. But you guys can go to the lessons, go to the indicator wins, and see for yourself the wins that people are catching. Don't just take my word for it. And when you're online looking at other people talk about their products and stuff, make sure they got receipts, bruh. Because people be on here scamming, bruh. This is a scammy industry, man. People be using my name and everything. That's why we have a scam alert section literally right here. People use my name all the time. So don't get scammed. I will never DM you first. I don't accept friend requests, all of that stuff. But anyway, yeah, go to the win section. Look at what people are posting, man. This is not just from me, bro. Like, go on there yourself. These are real people. We got 3,700 people in this Discord, man. Go ahead and check out what these wins are saying. Protect yourself and protect your money on the internet, please. If you guys want to see the most recent trade that I took where I made $10,000 copy trading, go ahead and check this video out right here. I ain't gonna lie, this is probably the last manual trade that I'm ever gonna enter. We'll see. I'll be saying stuff like this all the time and change my mind, but go ahead and check this video out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in that video.